Do you ever get to the end of the month and wonder where all your money went? You're definitely not alone. Most people don't track their spending, and that's why budgeting can feel so overwhelming. But here's the truth, budgeting is simply giving your money a plan. And today, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate beginner's guide to budgeting step by step. Welcome to your Money Map, the place where we make money topics simple, stress-free, and actually doable. If you're ready to take control of your finances, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future tips. So, let's start with the basics. What is budgeting? Think of it as your personal roadmap for money. It's the plan that tells your dollars where to go instead of leaving you wondering where they disappeared. A budget helps you cover your essentials, enjoy life guilt-free, and still save for the future. Now, if you're starting from scratch, here's how to begin. Figure out your income. Write down how much money you actually bring in each month after taxes. List your fixed expenses. These are the things that don't change, like rent, insurance, or car payments. Track your variable expenses, and these are flexible costs like groceries, gas, or eating out. And set savings goals. Even if you start small, say $20 a month, it builds the habit and adds up over time. Once you've got this down on paper, you'll see exactly where your money is going. Next, let's talk about 3 easy budgeting methods you can try. The 50-30-20 rule. That's 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. Zero-based budgeting. Here, every single dollar gets assigned a purpose, so nothing is left unplanned. The envelope system. You separate your money into categories, either physical envelopes or digital ones, and once the money's gone, it's gone. Pick whichever method feels easiest and try it out for a month. The key is just getting started. Now here's how to stick with it without feeling restricted. Use free budgeting apps to track things automatically. Do a quick budget check-in once a week. It only takes 10 minutes. And don't forget to celebrate small wins. Even staying on track for a week or two is progress. Here's the thing. Budgeting isn't about cutting out everything fun. It's about creating freedom. When you know where your money's going, you can start building the life you actually want. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to your Money Map for more simple money tips. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Remember, budgeting is not just about numbers. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and dreams, setting the stage for a brighter financial future as you gain control over your money journey. As you embark on your budgeting journey, consider reading additional resources, attending workshops or online courses, and actively participating in discussions, as these can provide valuable insights and support, making the process even more enriching. Take some time to reflect on your financial aspirations and goals, creating a vision that motivates you as you begin implementing your new budgeting skills, knowing that each small step can lead to significant progress over time. With dedication and the right tools at your disposal, you can master the art of budgeting, transforming your financial landscape and reinforcing your confidence in your ability to reach your objectives and celebrate milestones along the way. Ultimately, effective budgeting allows you to enjoy life's precious moments without the burden of financial worry, helping you to cultivate stronger relationships and pursue your dreams more freely and confidently with every step you take. Remember that you're not alone on this journey. Surrounding yourself with supportive friends and community can make a significant difference in your financial path, reinforcing positive habits and celebrating each other's successes. Establishing a timeline for your financial goals and regularly reviewing your progress can provide a sense of direction and fulfillment, allowing you to appreciate how far you've come and inspiring you to keep moving forward on your budgeting journey. Taking a moment to reflect on your financial journey can foster gratitude for your achievements, encouraging you to embrace continuous learning as you adapt your budgeting strategies to meet new challenges and ambitions. Engaging with educational resources such as webinars and infographics can enhance your understanding of budgeting while also exposing you to common mistakes and practical solutions, reinforcing your ability to manage finances effectively. Involving your family in budgeting activities such as meal prepping or setting savings goals together can create a shared sense of responsibility and excitement about managing finances, making the process not just educational but also enjoyable. Sharing your budgeting journey with friends can lead to invaluable discussions and connections where you can exchange insights and learn from one another, creating a supportive network that empowers everyone involved. As you enjoy the rewards of your budgeting efforts, from leisurely picnics to financial security, remember that the key to lasting success lies in maintaining that balance between enjoyment and mindful spending, allowing you to create a fulfilling life. Reaching your financial goals can feel like standing atop a mountain, with each step of budgeting bringing you closer to a future filled with opportunities and dreams made real, reminding you that persistence and discipline are crucial for achieving lasting success. Participating in community events focused on financial literacy offers an incredible opportunity to connect with others who share similar aspirations, fostering a culture of collaboration and support as you deepen your understanding of budgeting.